Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of custom product labels for the WooCommerce platform. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the custom product labels can be viewed at the web store front end by the customers. And apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the admin would be able to add these custom product labels from the admin backend panel. And the customers can view the custom labels on the shop, product and category pages and can thereby ease the product search for them. So before we continue further, let me give you a small gist of this particular plugin. So this plugin basically facilitates the store owner to create product labels for the products listed within the store itself, and the store owner can customize the product labels as required. Apart from that, the custom product labels are visible on the shop, product and category pages as well, and only one label can be added for a product. Apart from that, the customers can easily differentiate amongst the sale, new and deal products by the custom label on the product itself, thus easing the process of product search within the WooCommerce store. So let's get ahead and see how this particular plugin functionality works at the web store front end and then the configuration part as well. So here I am at the WooCommerce web store right now, and I'm on the shop page, as you can see. So here for each of the products, you can see that there's a small what we say as the product label on the top right hand corner. Some have that on the left hand corner, and some are having that on the bottom right hand corner, as you can see. And we have different product labels that we have created according to our need and requirement for the products that we have listed within our WooCommerce store. So first of all, let me show you how the labels get visible to the customers. So when the customers visit this particular shop page, so they can easily view the labels like the hot deal, 50% off, new, 50% off, 10% off for each of the products, and within the what we say as the other products as well. So that's how the customers can view the product labels. Now customers can also see the product labels on the product page itself. So let me tap and let me open a product first. So here we are on the product page, and here you can see that the same product label is visible here as well for this particular product. And we can also see that within the related products, we're able to see the different product labels that we have created for the product listing within our WooCommerce web store. So these were the two things, and on the category pages as well, the customers can find the product labels for the ones that the admin has created from the admin backend panel. So after this, now let me take you to the web store backend and let me show you what different configuration settings are there initially, and how to create the custom product labels as well. So I'll tap here to open the backend panel for my WooCommerce web store. So I'll be logging into my account now. And after login, and kindly note that after you've successfully purchased and installed this particular plugin, after that, whenever you log into your backend panel, on the side panel you'll be able to see this product label menu option having two different sub menus. One is the product label list and the other one is the configuration. So let me open these two sub options for the product label itself. So let's go to the configuration page first. So on the configuration page for the product label, here we have the option to enable or disable this particular functionality. So if you want to enable or disable the label settings, for which you need to select this particular checkbox. If selected, then you have enabled the functionality, and if you uncheck that, then the functionality would be disabled at the web store front end. So for now, I'll be choosing this, I'll be setting this up as enabled, and I'll be tapping on the save configuration button here. Now let's go to the product label list section. So under this section here, the admin can see the product labels that he has already created, And for the first time when you come to this particular section, you'll find this section is empty. So here the admin can make the bulk actions, like he can delete, enable or disable the product labels as required. And apart from that, the admin can add the new labels by tapping on the add new button here under the product label list. So you have the add new button. So let me tap this button, and this will bring up the section wherein we can create a new product label list. So here we are on the product label list, and after that we have tapped the add the label button. Here we have a back button to navigate back to the product label list section, and we have a save button as well to save a particular label that we are going to create. So initially what we need to do is we need to set up the label title. So we can set it as offer, for example. Then we need to choose the label image, the image that would be used for this particular label. So we can tap on the set label image, and accordingly for the product, for the labels that you've already created, you can choose any one. So let me choose this save the sale icon. So I'll select it up. So we have chosen the set label image for the particular label title that we are going to create. Then under the label status, we can set it as enabled or disabled, whether you want this particular label to be visible or not at the web store front end for the listed products that are there. Then we can also set the label position, and the label position can be set as top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. So let me take you the front end first. So this one is the top right, this one is the bottom left label, and let me go to the shop page once again. So top left, bottom right, bottom left and bottom right. So thus the admin can basically set the label position on the product itself. And lastly, what we need to do is we need to choose the products for which we need to set the label. So I can go ahead and I can type in the name of the product for which I want to apply the custom product label. So let me tap in Happy. So I have this product Happy Ninja 2, and now I'll tap the save button so as to save this particular product label. And so you can see that the label has been edited successfully. So now what I'll do is I'll go to the product label list section, and here we can find the created product label that we have just created. So we have this title with offer, the image, we have enabled the status, and the position is top left. Now let's do one thing, let's go to the front end and let's search for this particular product. So we have searched for the Happy, and here we have the Happy Ninja 2 product for which we had applied the sale custom product label on the top left hand corner. So that was much about the WooCommerce custom product labels, and I hope this video somehow helped you out. So if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular product, that's the custom product labels for the WooCommerce store, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.